Hey guys, it's James. We're going to talk about finish quality and texture right now. So we do all sorts of different sizes and projects. We do lower end ones where we're targeting to sell them for 300 grand, and then we have higher end projects that we're selling for $4 or $5 million. So what that comes down to is your finish work and how you prepare for that in your budgeting. So for our higher end, more luxurious flips, we always factor in smooth wall rather than a light orange peel. Light orange peel is going to be more standard texture that you're going to get in most of your drywall quotes. To get smooth wall is going to cost you about 1.5 to 2 times the amount for your finished drywall work. So as you're looking at your project, as you're looking at your ARVs and what you're targeting, make sure you budget for the right finishes up front. This can blow your budgets by thousands of dollars. This is a 5,000 square foot house. If we were off on our budgeting, that could be a $10,000 to $15,000 miss. So know what you're selling, put the right plan in play, work it into your budget, and get it rolling. So for more flip tips, make sure you check us out on YouTube at Project RE or on Instagram at JDaneFlips.